This is our lift out single slider. As you can see here, it has two locking points. Depends on the height of the window, so it could be one or two. These are metal cam lock. So to unlock the window, you just open them down, and then this is how the window would operate. The one thing that behind the name of this is a lift out, so we can actually lift the sashes for cleaning purposes, and you can see here it does have rollers on the bottom, so that's for a smooth sliding operation on the tracks. So after you clean your glass, it's easy for you to put it back. You just make sure that you position it right onto the tracks, and then the sash is back on, and then you can see how it operates same way as it was before. The other thing that I want to mention about this window would be the glazing stoppers. So you can see that the glazing stoppers are on the inside. This is for safety and security, so no one can open or remove the glass from the outside. Another thing would be the weather strip. So removing the window back out, you can see that it does come with a weather strip that goes all around the window. And then it is something that could be replaced if needed. Put it back on again. Slider window would also have a drainage system that is underneath the tracks. So if you come out here, you'll be able to see that it has so many holes where water can easily be flushed to the outside. Another thing is the screen. Screens are easy to remove. So they are spring load on the sides here. So you just give it a push by putting your hands or your fingers inside this two holes up here, and then it's easy for you to put it back on. The frame of the screen is metal, and it's heavy duty metal. And the type of the mesh could be either fiberglass or any other heavy duty meshes that we carry. But this is the overall of the interior of any lift out slider that you might want to go for. On the outside of your slider, the first thing that I want to mention is how the frame is being put together. So it is welded on each corner, and then it's all done at the same time. That would give us a very unique frame and profile on the exterior, which allows us actually to control where our drainage system is located. So you can see here that we have two drainage holes on each side of the sash. So there's one is more on the outside, another one is on the inside, and then you got another two on that corner as well. This would allow the frame to not let the water to be able to go into the inside, and it be more flush to the exterior by maximizing the drainage system holes. The other thing would be your screen finish on the outside. It does come with an additional rubber. This is to create more stability for your screen, and then at the same time, it would make sure nothing will go in through the frame of the screen itself. The window frame on the exterior is finished without having any glazing stoppers. As mentioned before, they're all on the inside, and that would allow and give more security for your glazing on the outside not be able to be removed by anyone.